Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix no service problem on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. Make sure you are not is in airplane mode. First thing first, make sure your iPhone is airplane mode turn on or off. If it is turned on, it was obvious that you have not seen any service on your iPhone. So turn it off and turn it on again. While you have facing this issue, turn it on and off from here. So then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. If your iPhone is showing no service because of buggy software, restarting your iPhone should solve this issue. Here's how to restart on your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then third solution, you have update your iOS version. If the issue is within iOS, we have our suspecting the updating your operating system with the latest iOS update should help when you encounter various problem when updating the iOS system. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, must be updated with iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have reset network setting. If your iPhone is not receiving service, reset the network setting to clear any pack that's guessing it is stop working. Or if it is manufacturing, when you reset the network setting, your saved Wi-Fi password are deleted and you will clear how to reset on your iPhone network settings. So you have also reinstall the internet service. So you have open the setting, scroll up, then you click on general, scroll up, then you have transfer or reset, then you click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Last solution, you have removed the SIM card and replace it. Eject the SIM card from your iPhone, then using the microfiber cloth clean the SIM card and the SIM tray with a blur below some air inside the phone where you insert the SIM card to remove the dust. There may be once done reinsert the SIM card. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, this ways to fix the problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.